So what happened? So what happened to you? He's another singer. Ano daw yun? I don't understand what you're saying, but I like listening to you. Oh, thank you very much. Gracias. 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 Thank you. Gracias. I am right? Like, gracias con todos. I don't know. Wag na nga magsalita, nakakahiya. Some guy tried to stab me and I was fighting him and it stole my truck and the police got it back down the street an hour later. My goodness. So many bad people there? Like, like, bad as, like that? Stole the car and they, they, they need to stab the person? My goodness. Ito nga, simpleng lasing, takot ako. May gustaki kantas. Ano daw? Hello sa one viewer. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Some guy tried to stab me and I was fighting him. And it stole my truck and the police got it back down the street and an hour later. Grabe naman yun. So many bad people. The US is very dangerous. Ah, sige na. Wow. Very dangerous. So, he wanted to kill me but I picked up a metal pipe. My goodness. You need to pick aside. You need to always how can I say? Tingnan mo, nahirapan na naman akong magtagal, mag-English. Gusto ko talagang makinig sa'yo. Wow! Chris, pinapahanga mo ako sa Tagalog You speak Tagalog, you translate it, right? Wow, thank you so much, Chris. Pinapahanga mo ako sa Tagalog Wow. You want to listen not my voice like a basag in eardrum? Chris? Pick side, you need to always don't go to the place that like that. Diba? Some of the places in America, it's so dangerous. I saw on the movie like that. That some of the places there, it's like the street like that. It's very dangerous. But not all. I love the USA. Yeah, me also. I love US. But I love the Europe. I love the I want to work in Greenland or like the Luxembourg. Luxembourg. Matuto akong kausapin ka, promise. Okay, go. You can go. So good. You need to translate. You can talk to me. But I don't think if you understand me. But I understand you. Very much. Yeah. Oo. Yeah, US is very guys. US is the dream. The Philippines is a dangerous. Yeah. many places